Good day everyone, I'm Lanz Andrei Colico from BSCS 1C, and I am here to explain the problem in finding cross product, problem 9, in which we need to find A, U cross V, and letter B, V cross U, and C, V cross V. So first, we need to find letter A, U cross V. So I, J, K, then the given U, so 1, 2, -1, and the given V, so 1, 1, 2. Then, to get the component of each scalar, so first we need to remove row 1 and column 1 to get the I, so 2, -1, 1, 2, I. Then minus, to get the component of J, we need to remove row 1, column 2, then that will be 1, -1, 1, 2, J. Plus, to get the component of K, we need to remove row 1 and column 3. So 1, 2, 1, 1, K. Then, we will apply cross multiply, in which 2 times 2 minus 1 times -1 I, then minus 1 times 2, then minus 1 times -1 J, plus 1 times 1 minus 1 times 2. So, to solve I, so 2 times 2 is 4, then 1 times -1, that will be negative, 1 times negative, that will be positive. So 4 plus 1, that will be 5I. And minus, to get J, so 1 times 2 is 2, then 1 times -1, that will be -1 times negative, that will be positive. So 2 plus 1, that will be 3, times negative, that will be -3J. Then, to get K, so 1 times 1, that will be 1, and 1 times 2, that will be 2. Then minus, so 1 minus 2, that will be -K. So our U cross V is equal to 5I minus 3J minus K. So for letter B, so V cross U. So V cross U is equal to IJK, then the given V. So 1, 1, 2, and we will apply the given U. So 1, 2, -1. So again, we will remove row 1 and column 1 to get the component of I. So 1, that will be 1, 2, 2, -1, I. And to get J, so we will remove row 1 and column 2. So minus 1, 2, 1, -1, J. Then plus, to get the component of K, we need to remove row 1 and column 3. So that will be 1, 1, 1, 2, K. So we will apply the cross multiply. So 1 times -1 minus 2 times 2I. So for I, then minus for J, so 1 times -1 minus 1 times 2, that will times 2, that is for J, plus for K, to find K, so 1 times 2 minus 1 times 1 K. Then to solve for I, so 1 times -1, that will be -1, and 2 times 2 is 4. So negative 1 minus 4, that will be negative 5i. So, and in j, so 1 times negative 1, that will be negative 1. And 1 times 2 is minus 1 times 2, that will be negative 2. So negative 1 minus 2, that will be negative 3 times negative, that will be positive 3j. Then to get k, so 1 times 2, that will be 2. Then 1 times 1, that will be 1. Then minus, so 2 minus 1, that will be positive k. So v cross u is equal to negative 5i plus 3j plus k. Lastly, to get the v cross v, so we need to apply the given. So ijk, the given of v, so 1, 1, 2. Also, the given of v is 1, 1, 2. Then, to get the component of each scalar, so we need to remove row 1, column 1. So 1, 2, 1, 2, I for I. And we need to remove row 1, column 2 for j. So to get the component, so 1, 2, 1, 2, j plus, to get the k, we need to remove row 1, column 3. So 1, 1, 1, 1, k. Then we will cross multiply each scalar. So 1 times 2 is 2 minus 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0i. Then to get j is 1 times 2 is 2 minus 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0 also. So 0j plus, to get the k, so 1 times 1 is 1. Then minus 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0k. So our v cross v is equal to 0. So that's all. And thank you for watching.